Welcome to the Servermania Jelastic Cloud Platform. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the features of the marketplace, where you'll find dozens of templates that install some of the most popular web applications, container orchestration platforms, login solutions, and e-commerce engines. Templates may contain checkboxes, drop-downs, and text fields to collect user preferences, instructing Jelastic on how exactly to deploy an app, what settings to use, and how many container replicas to produce. There are categories like dev and admin tools with Kubernetes, Jenkins, or GitLab. Clustered solutions like highly available MariaDB, Postgres, or Docker Swarm. You will find microservices and content management tools like WordPress. And of course, there are e-commerce platforms like Magento. Administrators will benefit from file and storage solutions, while project managers and support will appreciate things like OS Ticket or Redmine. The next category of templates is add-ons, which are installed on top of existing environments. There are add-ons to enable FTP, synchronize files between servers, or generate a free Let's Encrypt certificate. Next, let's deploy a new OpenCart environment. Installation in a real-life environment will take 1 to 2 minutes, but this demo shortens it, of course. After my environment is up and running, I can use an add-on from the marketplace, like Let's Encrypt. Let's generate a certificate for our OpenCart environment. And there we go. Generating SSL certificates is easy with Servermania's Jelastic Cloud Platform. Thank you for watching, and give it a try yourself at servermania.com.